Say louder. Be louder. Gopi's present age is M years. Okay. And what will be his age after 6 years? Yes, say your answer.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute. 1 minute, ma'am. Gopi's next age will be.
Okay, see here. If Shivani, look here, if your present age, okay, is M years now, some M years, and your age after 6 years will be what? M plus 6?
M6.
No? Did you understand this? Somebody's, this Gopi's present age. His age now, it's M years. After 6 years, it will be what? M plus 6. Is it? Suppose your age is now 10 years. What will be your age after 6 years?
16.
16. So that's what the same thing here. Okay, his present age is M. M is some variable which is not known to us. But after 6 years, Gopi's age will be M plus 6.
Teacher, how will you find that M value?
That will be when you are given some equation. These are expressions. This is not an equation. So your value of M.
Teacher, so in 6th class we doesn't solve equation.
You will be solving equations. Okay, you have solutions to the equation. Okay, first we are doing with the expressions. Since in the previous class, yesterday we did about expressions. Okay, now in today's class, exercise 11.4 and 5, we will be doing with the solution of
it. 19 years.
No 19 years, Vichi. This is just M plus 6. You just have to make an expression. You cannot find the value of M here until you are given any equal to something. Okay, this is just an expression. You just have to find an expression. Okay, see this. Next question, you will be able to understand better. Give expression for. Now look here, you just have to give an expression. 8 less than thrice a number. Rishit will tell me this. Yes, Rishit? Hello? Rishit will tell me this. Yes, Rishit? Hello?
Rishit is not here.
Okay, Rishit was there. What happened? Okay. Ridesh, Majhi, you tell me. 8 less than thrice a year.
Ma'am, me?
Ridesh. Ridesh is also not there.
Oh, what?
8 less than thrice a year, thrice a number. Give me the
Teacher, 8
expression.
less than thrice a number will be 8 is less than thrice a number. It will be n minus some 8. N minus 8.
N minus 8.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, please tell.
Ma'am, they said 8 less than thrice a number. A number, they did not mention what the number is, so we can take that number as a variable, which is like x. So thrice a number is equal to thrice x. So it will be 3 into x, which is 3x. So 8 less than 3x is equals to 3x minus 8.
Okay. Yes. So that's the number is not given to x. So we are just taking the number as x. So the number becomes 3 times x is thrice of the number, that is 3x, and then 8 less. You got it? Okay, now Divesh, you tell me. Next one,
Yes, ma'am.
x multiplied by minus 6 and then 4 is added to the result.
Ma'am, so it will be x minus 6 plus 4.
X minus 6 plus 4. No, it's saying, read the question. Can you see the question? X
Yes, ma'am.
multiplied by minus 6. X is multiplied by minus 6. So this is X multiplied by minus 6 like this. And then 4 is added to it. 4 is added to it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now you will tell me the next one. Divish, you will tell me the next one. Take present age of Gopal to be X years. Okay, present age of Gopal is given X years. What will be his age 8 years from now?
Ma'am, x plus 8 years.
X plus 8 years. Good. Okay. Sritej, you will tell me. Hello, Sritej.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
was his age 5 years ago?
Ma'am, it's x minus 5 years.
X minus 5. Good. Now, okay.
Ma'am, you are not asking me.
Yes, Ashwath. Yes, Ashwath, you tell me. Gopal's father's age is 4 years more than 3 times Gopal's age. Father's age is 4 years more than 3 times Gopal's age.
3x
Yes.
3x plus 4.
3x plus 4. Very good. 3x plus 4. Good. Okay. So, very nice. Let's move on to the exercise part now. This was just the recap of what we did yesterday. Okay? You understand, no? What is the recap? Just to see whether you understand the things what we did yesterday.
Teacher,
Okay.
can you show
Show what?
their answer?
Which
I was
answer?
checking. I was checking for my answers.
Okay, it's here.
Right, right,
Okay.
right. Right. Yes, ma'am. Everything right.
Okay. Okay, moving to exercise 11.4. Answer the following questions. Okay, take Sarita's present age to be Y years. Okay, Y years is given to you. Sarita's present age. What will be her age 5 years from now? Shivani will tell me this. Sarita's age is Y years. What will be Sarita's age 5 years from now? If you count from now, what will be her age 5 years after 5 years? Yes, Shivani? Shivani is there? Shivani, increase your volume.
Ma'am, my volume is increased only.
I can't hear your voice. Be little louder.
Age to be.
Sarita's age after 5 years. Sarita's age is given to be Y years. What will be her age after 5 years?
Ma'am, what is y?
Y is, see the question. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
It's written here, take Sarita's present age to be Y years. So
5 years.
Y is Sarita's present age. Okay, and the question is, what will be her age 5 years from now? What will be her age after 5 years?
Now she's 5 years.
Now she is Y years. Y. Now she is Y years. Her present age is Y years. What will be her age after 5 years? Now suppose, Shivani, your age is 10 years now. Just suppose your age is 10 years now. What will be your age after 5 years?
15.
15. So the same thing here. If Sarita's age is Y years, what will be her age after 5 years?
5 plus 5.
Yes, y plus 5. Okay. Don't be scared of giving the answer. Okay. Whatever answer you know, you tell. Okay. I'm here to make corrections. Okay. Okay, now tell me again, tell me the next one. If Sarita's age is y years, keep this in mind. What was her age 3 years back? What was her age 3 years back? If today Sarita is y years of age, what was her age 5 years earlier?
Y minus 3.
Yes, y minus 3, absolutely right. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me again this one. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? What is grandfather's age if grandfather is 6 times her age?
5 plus 6 plus 3.
5 plus 6 plus 3.
Y, ma'am.
Y, huh?
Plus 6.
No, 6 times. When you're writing times, times means you're multiplying something. 6 times her age. So that is 6y.
6y.
Yes, Ashwath, you're saying something?
Ma'am, I want to tell that. 6
Okay, okay. Ashwath, you tell me this one now. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. What is
6y
grandmother?
minus 2.
6y minus 2. That's nice. Are you all writing in your notebooks whatever we are discussing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has to make notes. I will be checking your notes. You know, I always check the notes after every sum. Yes. Keep making. Okay. Ridesh, you must write in your notebooks. Okay. Now see the next one. Sarita's father's age is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. What is her father's age? Aishwarya, you tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, why 3 plus 5?
Y3.
No, 3y plus 5.
3y plus 5. Sarita's father is 5 years more than 3 times. So Sarita's age was y years, then 3 times Sarita's age is 3y, and then 5 added to it. Okay, you understood, Shivani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I hope Shivani, you are understanding the things now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, maybe because you know you are saying you have done only exercise 11.1 in your book. But here in this class, we have done 11.2 also, 11.3 also. You were not there for the yesterday's class. Okay,
Yes.
so that's the reason you don't know about these things. But gradually, when you go along with us, you understand the things, you'll find it much easier.
Yes. Ma'am, once can you explain?
What? What,
Uh,
Biche?
variables and
Variables. Okay.
variables.
Okay. See here, I'll explain again. It's just a very small, simple thing. Variable is, you know, when variable is something that is not known to you. Okay. Suppose if I say, I have so many chocolates in my pocket. I have 2 chocolates in my, I ate 2 chocolates and gave, okay, just forget about this. I'm saying I have 5 chocolates in my bag. I ate 2 and gave the rest to my friends. You understand this?
Yeah.
I had 5 chocolates in my bag. I ate 2 and gave the rest to my friends. So this thing which is saying the rest to my friends, this is not known to me. I'm just saying I gave the rest to my friends. That means after eating 2, whatever was left, I gave all that to my friends. So this is a variable. This number is not known to me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So in place of number, I'm writing some alphabet. I'm representing this unknown thing with an alphabet. Either it can be A, it can be B, C, whatever, anything, X, Y, Z, it can be anything. So this unknown thing is always represented by alphabet, and it is called variable. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And we give these variables some value. X can be 1, X can be 2, X can be 3, X can be any number. Okay. So, and these number things are constants. Where we have this fixed number, these are constants. This unknown thing which is not known to us, this is called variable. Okay. These, yes, these are constants. The fixed numbers are called constants. Okay. So you understood now what are variables and what are constants?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here in this question, as it was given Sarita's present age to be Y years. Now here Y is some variable. It's some alphabet. This value is not known to us, is it?
Yeah.
So here Y is a variable. Okay. Now if the next question is, the question that they are asking is, what will be her age after 5 years? Now 5 is some constant. It's asking, after 5 years, what will be Sarita's age? So Sarita's age was given to us was Y. And after 5 years, it will be Y plus. Is it? So Y can be 1, Y can be 2, Y can be 3, Y can be any number. So when Y added with 1, with 5, it will give me 6. If Y is 2, added with 5, it will give me 7. If Y is 3, when added with 5, it will give me 8. And so on, I'll get the answers. So it is the age, Sarita's age after 5 years is all dependent on her present age. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So the variable part is which is given with the alphabet. You understood now what are variables and constant?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move on now. Now see this, the length of a rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if the breadth is b meters? Now understand the question. If the breadth is b meters, it's asking the length of the rectangular hall is 4 meters.
Teacher, can you tell me the question once?
Question is here in front of you.
The length of the rectangular hall is 4 meters. So we know that rectangular hall length means the upside is 4 meters and the breadth is 3 times more. So 4 3s are 12.
You have to find the expression here. See the question here. The breadth is given b
Teacher,
meters.
teacher, B value. Teacher, the B value.
Yes, saying somebody. Let breadth be b meters. Listen here first. Let breadth be b meters. 3 times the breadth will be 3b. Is it? 3 times the breadth will be 3b. And the length is saying that length of the hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth. So length of the hall will be what? 3b minus 4.
3b minus 4 m.
Okay, 3b minus 4 meters. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, instead of writing 3b minus 4, can we write minus 1b?
Minus 1b.
Yes, ma'am. Like if we solve the 3b minus 4, it becomes minus.
How can you solve this? How can you solve this? You are not given any equation. You know? To find the value of b, you need to have some equation here. Okay? Something to equate with.
No, ma'am. I'm not saying that how to find the b. But I'm just saying, like, instead of writing 3b minus 4, can we write minus 1 by minus 1b?
Minus 1 by minus b.
No, ma'am. Minus 1b, ma'am.
Minus 1b. This.
Yes, ma'am.
No. There is no b with 4. See, 4 is without a variable. 3
Yes,
is
ma'am.
with the variable and 4 is without the variable. So you cannot subtract them.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
That means like both the numbers have each variable. Then only we need to.
Yes, both the numbers should be of the same kind. Then
Ma'am,
only
what if I have 3b minus 4c?
3b minus 4c. Then
Yeah.
also you cannot do. It has
Okay,
to, it has to have a same
Same.
variable.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now see the next one. See the next one, C part. A rectangular box has height h centimeters. Its length is, now just write whatever you are given, please write in your notebooks. It's given, height is given to be h centimeters. Okay. Length,
Teacher,
yeah.
teacher, I
Keep
might
writing.
Teacher, I might get disconnected around something after 2 or 3 minutes.
Why?
And a little bit of internet issue.
What happened?
Internet issue.
Internet issue. Okay, no problem. We cannot help in that. No problem. As long as you have your connection, just listen to the things. Its length is 5 times the height. Okay, so it's saying the length is 5 times the height. So it is like this, 5 into h. Shivani, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Whenever times word is written, it always signifies multiplication. Okay, that is 5 multiplied by h. And the breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Now it's saying the breadth. Now breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. Length is 5h and breadth is 10 centimeters less than that. So it's like this. Okay. Express the length and the breadth of the box in terms of height. So done that. Okay. You understood this much? Everyone understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, are you there? Hello? Okay. Okay, now see here. Have you all understood this much? Hello? Understood this much? How did we get 5h minus 10, the length and the breadth? Hello, say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, let's see the next one. See the next question. Meena, Beena, and Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at step S. So let's make a note of it. Where is Meena? Meena is at step S. Okay.
S.
Yes. Beena is 8 steps ahead. Now, how will you write about Beena? Dina is
S plus S plus 8.
yes.
S
S
plus
plus
8.
8. Now, and Lina is 7 steps behind. So how will you write about Lina?
S
S
minus 7.
7.
S minus 7. Where are Dina and Meena? Okay, Dina and Meena, we found out this. The total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena, where Meena has reached. Okay, so what will be the total number of steps? Total steps will be what?
40s.
4S.
Ma'am, 4 is minus 10.
Yes,
4S
4s
minus
minus 10.
4s
Yes, very
minus.
nice. Good, good. So this
Steps.
total
Yes.
steps
Last S, ma'am.
4s minus 10. Yes. Okay, now see the next one. A bus travels at V kilometers per hour. It is going from Daspur to Bispur. After the bus has traveled 5 hours, Bispur is still 20 kilometers away. What is the distance from Daspur to Bispur? Express it using V. Unmute. Okay. Now see,
Teacher,
a
did
bus
you tell
travels at
something?
V kilometer per hour.
Teacher, did you tell something?
No, I told, I'm reading the question here. A bus travels at V kilometer per hour. So the distance traveled by bus is V kilometers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now after the bus has traveled 5 hours, so in 5 hours, how much the bus will travel?
V kilometer per hour.
V
So that
kilometer?
means V
5
kilometer, the
kilometer.
bus
Ma'am,
is traveling in
excuse me, ma'am.
1 hours. What happened?
Ma'am, in the question they gave that the bus travels at V kilometer per hour. That means it's the speed, ma'am, not the distance traveled.
Yes, so that's the speed, but it is traveling V kilometers in 1 hour.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Got
that
it.
is V kilometer is the distance and 1 hour is the time.
Ma'am is telling that you wrote distance is equals to V kilometers
Yes,
per
ma'am.
hour.
I'm talking about the distance because they have asked about distance.
Ma'am, that means you wrote like distance traveled or distance it will travel for 1 hour.
See, speed is written like this, kilometer per hour.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So
I
what
got
I'm saying-
confused in this, ma'am.
No, I'm just talking about the distance. That V kilometer distance is covered in 1 hour. Okay. That's why I've written distance here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in 5 hours, how much distance will the bus cover?
Ma'am, 5 kilometer.
5 V kilometers. Okay. What is the distance from, and it's saying Bispur is still 20 kilometers away. That means after traveling this much of the distance, the destination is still 20 kilometers away. So what is the total distance to be covered?
Is it
Ma'am, 5v plus 20 kilometer.
5V plus 20?
5v plus 20 kilometer.
Yes. So total distance to be covered will be 5V plus 20. This much kilometers. Okay. Understood this much?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Let's move ahead. Change the following statements using expressions into statements in ordinary language. So as you were doing in your general language yesterday, same way you have to do this. Okay. Now see this first one. A notebook cost rupees P. A book cost rupees 3P. How will you read this? If you have to make a statement for this, how will you make?
And the cost of a notebook is P rupees, and the cost of one book is rupees 3P.
3P. So how will you write this? If you have to write this, see, a notebook cost rupees P, a book cost rupees 3P. That means the cost of the book is 3 times the cost of the notebook, is it? So the cost of the book is 3 times the cost of the notebook. Please write in your notebooks. Cost Cost of the book. Cost of the book is 3 times cost of the notebook. Okay. Okay. Understood this much?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
see, Tony puts Q marbles on the table. Now there are some marbles on the table. He has 8 Q marbles in the box. So how will you write this statement?
Ma'am, Tony has 8 times
has
more
8
marbles in the
than
box than marbles on the table.
Exactly. Good. Yes, very nice. So that means marbles in the box are 8 times the marbles on the table. Is it?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write in your notebooks. Marbles on the table. Marbles in the box. Marbles in the box. Marbles in the box are 8 times the marbles on the table. Okay. Marbles in the box are 8 times the marbles on the table. Okay. I hope Shivani is understanding the things. Shivani,
Yes.
are you there? Are you understanding what we are discussing here?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be asking now. Shivani, you tell me this one, third one. Our class has n students. The school has 20 n students. How will you make this statement?
Our class has n students. The school has 20 n students. N plus 20.
What?
N plus 20 students.
No, not n plus. It's already given here. You don't have to make any statement expression here. You just have to make it in your ordinary language. You have to just, tell this. Our class has n students. The school has 20 n students. So what will you write? The school has 20 times the students in the class.
The school has 20 times n students in the class.
Number of students in the school is 20 times students in the class. Okay.
Okay.
Please write. Number of students in the school is 20 times. Please write in your notebook. Number of students in the school is 20 times the students in our class. Number of students in the school. Number of students in the school is 20 times the students in our class. Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see here.
Yes, ma'am.
Jagu is Z years old. His uncle is 4Z years old, and his aunt is 4Z minus 3 years old. Now Jagu is Z years, uncle is 4Z, and aunt is 4Z minus 3. How will you write this in your single sentence?
Ma'am,
Jagu's uncle is 4 times the years of Jagu, and Jagu's aunt is 3 years less
See
than
one by one.
year
See,
of Jagu's uncle.
Okay. See, when you are answering the things, say one at a time. When you
Ma'am, can I say?
Who's this?
Ma'am, Divyesh.
Yes, Dinesh, tell me.
Ma'am, Jagu's uncle is 4 times the years of Jagu, and Jagu's aunt is 3 years less than 3 years
Younger
small
than.
than Jagu's uncle.
Yes, younger than. Okay. Jaggu's uncle is 4 times Jaggu's age, and aunt is 3 years younger than Jaggu's uncle. Very good, Divesh. Good. Okay, next one is in an arrangement of dots, there are R rows. Each row contains 5 dots. How will you write this? Total number of dots will be what?
Ma'am, 5R.
5R. So how will you write this? Total number of dots is 5
Ma'am.
times the number of
5 times the
Each
number
row,
of each.
5 times the number of rows. Okay. Total dots are 5 times the number of rows. Okay. Hello?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Chalo, see the next one. Given Munu's age to be X years, can you guess what X minus 2 may show? If Munu's age is X years, then what is X minus 2? X minus 2 is Munu's age.
Ma'am, 2 years
ago.
less than
Yeah.
2 years less than Munu's age.
So that means 2 years earlier. Okay.
Okay,
X
ma'am.
minus 2 is Munu's 2 years younger, somebody 2 years younger than Munu, no? If Munu's age is X years
Yes,
and
ma'am.
X minus 2 is somebody else, that means that somebody else is 2 years younger than Munu, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Think of Munu's younger brother. Okay, so Munu's younger brother is 2 years younger than Munu. Okay. And what is X minus 4? X plus 4? X
Ma'am,
minus
Munu's
4.
brother is 4 years elder than
elder
Munu.
than Munu.
Yes, 4 years elder than Munu. And what is 3x plus 7? His brother is
Munu's father age
Munu's father is
3 times
7
more
more than
than
3 times
3
Munu's
times
age.
more than
good.
Munu's age, and his
7
Yes.
more than 3 times Munu's
than
age.
3 times.
Yes, good. 7 more than 3 times Munu's age. Great. Okay. It's good practice. You all are doing good. Okay. Now see this next one. Given Sarah's age today to be Y years, think of her age in the future or in the past. What will the following expressions indicate? Now Y plus 7 will be what?
Ma'am, 7 more
Sarah's age
ma'am,
more
after 7 years.
Sarah's age after 7 years. Great. And what is Y minus 3?
Sarah's age
Sarah's
before 3 years.
age before
3 years
3
before,
3
3 years
ago.
before Sarah's age.
3 years ago. Okay. And Y plus 4.5.
Ma'am, 4.5 years
Sarah's age after 4.5 years.
Great. And Y minus 2.5.
Sarah's age
Sarah's
2
age
years,
before
2.5
2.5
years before
years.
Sarah's age.
Yes.
2.5 years before Sarah's age.
Yes. 2.5 years ago. Younger.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, given n students in the class like football, what may 2n show? What may n by 2 show?
Ma'am,
Think of
2.
games other than football. Now,
Ma'am,
n number
2n
of students like football, and 2n is what?
Ma'am, the people who like cricket are 2 times more than the people who like football.
Yes, that means 2n means that the people who like n is people who like football. Cricket is double the number of people who like football, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
And n by 2 is
Ma'am, the players,
people
the
only
people who
like
like cricket are half the people who like football.
yes. Okay. So people who like only cricket or people who like only cricket.
Yes.
Okay. So that's half the number of football. Okay. So
Then
you are
the time
done.
is up, I think so.
Time is up. 3 minutes are there as per my watch. Okay.
Yes.
So with this, we are done with this exercise. I hope, Shivani, you must have learned something here.
Yes.
Hello. Shivani is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Shivani, did you understand what we did today?
Yes, ma'am.
Really?
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
My voice is cracking.
Yes.
For everyone can hear my voice
Yes,
crack?
ma'am, we
Yes,
can
ma'am, we
hear
can
it
hear
clearly.
your voice clearly.
ma'am.
Okay. It's only maybe Shivani is not able to, Okay, never mind.
Bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
Shivani, you must, go through the chapter, revise your first exercise 11.1. And although you are saying that these exercises are deleted from your textbook, but we need to do this because in your later classes, in your class 7th, 8th, and further, these exercises are helpful. Okay, so we cannot leave these exercises.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, until you know how to solve an equation, how will you do questions in your other higher classes? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So this much for today. And okay, so tomorrow tomorrow there is no class. Okay, children, I've given you today, you have your subjective test paper also.
Tomorrow there is a match, ma'am. India versus Australia final.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Should not
And,
forget to.
so before that, you must complete your maths paper, subjective test.
Yes, ma'am. Tomorrow morning
Okay, and then you
itself
can enjoy the
after.
maths.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
then you can enjoy the match.
Ma'am, where
Yes,
will test they all be, ma'am?
What happened?
Where will test they all be?
Test. Shivani is asking this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shivani, you'll find the test in the assessment tab. Okay. Then you will be doing the test in your maths notebook and you will upload the picture. Since the test is subjective, tomorrow we have alternate tests, subjective, and alternate weekends objective.
Remember, this time it's objective.
This time it's subjective, beta. Last time it was objective. This time it is subjective. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you must upload your answers in the assessment tab.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but in the test, ma'am, it's showing like the test is on decimals topic.
Yes, that is just for revision because we had not started any chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
So I have given you on decimals.
Okay, ma'am.
So your work must be neat and tidy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you
Thank
for
you, ma'am.
today.